National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a snow squall warning for western El Paso County and east central Colorado until 9:15 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located near Air Force Academy, or 10 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving south at 35 miles an hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes, especially along I-25 from Monument into downtown Colorado Springs. Locations impacted include Monument, Black Forest, Fountain, Security, Air Force Academy, Security Widefield, Falcon, Stratford, Glen Eagle, Fort Carson, Schriever Space Force Base, Colorado Springs, Cimarron Hills, Peterson Space Force Base, Palmer Lake, and Hanover. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Winter weather advisory in
It's supposed to, like...
a.m. Wednesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow.
It's supposed to get toned, actually. I don't know why it's not going over. It's weird. So, there's that for now.